Struggling to shut your suitcase without exploding clothes everywhere? Whether you overpack for a week's getaway or just need to fit your winter jacket and accessories into a carry-on, regular packing feels like a puzzle that never fits. Compression packing cubes solve that by squeezing out excess air, organizing your stuff neatly, and giving you extra room, so you don't leave anything behind and still zip up your bag with ease. In this video, I'm going to show you the top compression packing cubes that help you pack lighter, smarter, and stress-free. So, without any delay, let's get started. The Shacke Premium set comes in at number 5, and it's a great entry point for anyone who wants to get organized fast without spending a lot. These cubes aren't just your typical organizers. They're made with durable X-design stitching, which helps them hold their shape even when you pack them to the max. The breathable mesh top lets you see everything inside, and the 5-piece set gives you enough versatility for weekend trips or longer vacations. While they don't compress as aggressively as true compression cubes, they still keep your clothing tightly packed and neatly separated. If you're tired of clothes shifting around in your luggage or mixing clean and dirty outfits, Shacke offers an affordable, lightweight system that instantly upgrades your packing routine. Perfect for casual travelers who want reliability without overthinking the process. BAGAIL steps things up with real compression power. These cubes feature a 2-zipper system, one to close the cube and the second zipper to compress everything down. And the difference in saved space is huge. They're made from ultra-lightweight yet sturdy nylon, so you're not adding bulk to your luggage. And the mesh front helps with ventilation while also letting you see what's inside. The compression effect works especially well for shirts, pants, and softer fabrics, and users love how the cubes maintain structure without stressing zippers. Whether you're carrying only a backpack or trying to squeeze another outfit into your suitcase, BAGAIL pleasantly surprises by how much space it frees up. It's a practical, middle-budget option that packs hard, compresses well, and keeps your clothing flatter and more organized than standard packing cubes ever could. Veken earns the middle spot by delivering some of the best quality-for-price compression cubes out there. The fabric feels premium, the zippers are reinforced for durability, and each cube expands and compresses smoothly. These cubes shine for longer trips because the compression layer drastically cuts down on volume, making it easier to fit more clothes without turning your suitcase into a wrestling match. They come in multiple sizes, perfect for separating underwear, tops, outerwear, and toiletries. One standout feature is how well the cubes hold their compressed form without ballooning back open. Travelers appreciate how easy they make unpacking. Open the suitcase, pull out cubes by category, and you're done. No chaos, no digging. If you travel often, Veken strikes the perfect balance between strong compression, long-lasting materials, and smart organization. OlarHike takes compression to the next level with a set designed for serious space saving. These cubes are thicker, sturdier, and feel more structured than most options, which helps them keep a crisp shape even when stuffed tight. Their compression system is extremely effective, perfect for travelers who pack heavy or bring multiple outfits per day. What makes OlarHike stand out is the durability of the paneling and the industrial-strength zippers, which don't struggle even when you crank down the compression layer hard. These cubes are especially useful for winter clothing, bulky fabric, and multi-week trips where you need every inch of space to count. Despite their heavy-duty performance, they're surprisingly lightweight and comfortable to use. For people who travel often or want maximum compression without worrying about wear and tear, OlarHike is an exceptional pick. Claiming the number 1 spot, BAGSMART simply does everything right. Space-saving, organization, durability, and aesthetics all in one package. Their 6-piece set gives you a cube for literally every category: shirts, pants, underwear, jackets, accessories, nothing gets mixed up. The compression layer works amazingly well, flattening clothes like a vacuum seal bag, but without the hassle. The material feels premium but lightweight, and the stitching is reinforced, so these cubes last trip after trip. One of their biggest strengths is how easy they make packing and unpacking. You can store full outfits in a single cube, compress them, and slide them neatly into your suitcase with room to spare. Travelers love how these cubes help avoid wrinkles, reduce clutter, and maximize carry-on space. BAGSMART is the ultimate combination of function, style, durability, and real compression, which is why it's our #1 pick.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!